do. It's not intentional, I swear. It's just that what is that in English?
Foggy. Because I'm handsome.
Just that the kasalanan of
That is
the parlor in Palengke only.
That
And it cost me only 35 pesos. That is why the result is I am foggy now. Foggy Lola.
There's Mommy Gijaw.
Tinitingnan ako, oh, kapogi-pogi naman. Uy, dami kong apo, oh. Wala na si Dango. Yan, napalitan na si Dango. Ang ganda tumingin itong brown, oh. Bumbuo. Oo. Kakatawa. Oo, ito nagwawala ito dahil
sa mukhang daga.
Oo, nakumukuha
Saan yung mukhang bek?
Kasi si Jampon.
What's your dialogue, Mai? About your hair.
Jampon, be kind enough to Mommy Gijaw, ha? Because she, meron bang literation ampon? Amponize you because your mommy has no milk. You know that, Jampon? Jampon? Okay, sleep.